How to fix UBERMOSH is crashing on Steam. So first you want to right click on the game in your library and open up the properties window. And then in the launch options box, you want to add -dx11 and then go to installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files. Now once this is done, you want to close Steam and then open up your graphics card application where you can get updates. So for NVIDIA graphic cards, you will need to install NVIDIA app. You can get it from nvidia.com and then go to the drivers. From here, make sure to download and install the latest available Game Ready driver update. And once you do that, you want to open up a new tab in your browser and search for Redist. Click on the first link, and from here, the second table, you want to download the 86 and the 64 version of the redistributables and install both of these. And once you finish the installation, it will prompt you to reboot your computer. So you should reboot your computer, and after the restart, you want to run Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And then you can open up the game again, and this should fix the problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.